Hello there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a reliable SUV that won't break the bank or your heart, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 affordable SUVs that are known for their durability and dependability. These vehicles not only fit your budget, but they also promise to keep you on the road for years to come. So, let's buckle up and explore these fantastic options. Number 1. Subaru Forester. Kicking off our list is the Subaru Forester. This compact SUV has built a stellar reputation for reliability. According to Consumer Reports, the Forester consistently ranks high in reliability surveys, making it a safe choice for families and adventurers alike. But it's not just about avoiding breakdowns. The Forester shines in safety ratings, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. With standard all-wheel drive, it handles tough weather conditions like a pro, whether you're navigating snowy mountains or sudden rain showers. While the initial purchase price might not be the absolute lowest, the Forester's durability and affordable maintenance costs can save you money in the long run. If you're searching for a capable, safe, and reliable SUV that won't break the bank, the Subaru Forester deserves your attention. Number 2. Next up, we have the Honda CR-V. This SUV is often dubbed the dependable companion that gets you where you need to go without any drama. The CR-V is renowned for its longevity, with many drivers reporting that it lasts well over 200,000 miles with just routine care. Imagine cruising down the highway with your weekend plans in tow, all while knowing you've got a vehicle that won't let you down. The CR-V offers smooth, car-like handling, making long journeys a breeze. Plus, its fuel-efficient engine keeps your wallet happy, which is always a plus. Inside, the spacious interior turns into a mobile command center for family outings or solo adventures. The Honda CR-V is not just an SUV. It's the reliable ride that gives you the freedom to explore without worrying about unexpected repair bills. Number 3. Toyota RAV4. Coming in strong at number 3 is the Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has been a favorite for years, and for good reason. The RAV4 strikes a perfect balance between affordability, practicality, and legendary reliability. Consumer Reports highlights the RAV4's impressive reliability, which has earned top marks for 5 consecutive years. This means you can expect to spend less time at the mechanic and more time enjoying the open road. The RAV4 is equipped to handle your adventures, providing a comfortable ride and ample cargo space for weekend getaways. While it may not be the most thrilling vehicle out there, its smooth and predictable driving experience is something that most drivers will appreciate. And while a brand new RAV4 might not be the cheapest option, the long-term ownership costs are low, thanks to its stellar reliability. Plus, with so many RAV4s on the road, you're sure to find a great deal on a used model. Dear viewer, are you enjoying our content? We post car-related videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these informative videos. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new content. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to our list, number 4, Hyundai Tucson. Next on our list is the Hyundai Tucson. This SUV isn't just another option. It's the Swiss Army knife of the compact SUV world. Known for its reliability, the Tucson is like a trusty sidekick that's always ready for adventure. With a reputation for durability, the Tucson is less likely to break down than your average compact SUV, according to Consumer Reports. Inside, the Tucson feels spacious and luxurious, making it a great place to spend your time. The user-friendly infotainment system adds to the overall experience, ensuring you stay connected on the go. The Tucson offers various engine options, some of which are incredibly fuel efficient, while others provide enough power for light off-roading. Plus, with available all-wheel drive, you'll be ready for any weather conditions. If you want a dependable, versatile SUV that won't drain your wallet, the Hyundai Tucson is a fantastic choice. Number 5. Kia Sportage. Moving on to the Kia Sportage. This SUV has carved out a niche for itself among budget-minded drivers. Known for its affordability, the Sportage offers much more than just a great price tag. Consumer Reports ranks the Sportage above average in reliability, meaning fewer trips to the mechanic and more time on the road. The Sportage boasts a lifespan that can easily reach 150,000 to 200,000 miles with proper care, translating to years of dependable service. It may not be the fastest SUV on the block, but it offers a comfortable ride and decent fuel economy, perfect for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Don't let its budget-friendly price fool you. The Sportage features an upscale interior with quality materials that will make you feel like you didn't settle for less. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable SUV that can keep up with your daily adventures, the Kia Sportage is definitely worth considering. Number 6. Chevrolet Equinox. At number 6, we have the Chevrolet Equinox. This compact SUV is a strong contender in the affordable market, boasting a starting price around $28,000. But don't let the price tag fool you. The Equinox has a solid reputation for reliability, meaning fewer trips to the shop and more money in your pocket for weekend adventures. The Equinox offers two engine options, both known for decent fuel efficiency. The base 1.5L turbocharged engine achieves an impressive 28 mpg in the city and 39 mpg on the highway. It may not lead the pack in speed, but it provides enough pep for everyday driving. While it's not marketed as a luxury vehicle, the Equinox offers a comfortable ride with ample cargo space. Users rave about its user-friendly technology and comfortable seating for 5. If you're in the market for a dependable and affordable SUV, the Chevrolet Equinox is definitely worth a closer look. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. Finally, rounding out our list is the Mazda CX-5. While it may not be the cheapest SUV on the market, its reputation for reliability could save you money in the long run. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the CX-5 among the most dependable vehicles in its class, making it a smart investment. Beyond its reliability, the CX-5 offers a zippy driving experience and a luxurious interior that feels more upscale than its price tag suggests. Owners rave about the comfortable seats and stylish design, turning mundane commutes into enjoyable drives. While some competitors might boast more powerful engines, the CX-5 strikes a balance between performance and fuel efficiency, ensuring you enjoy every moment behind the wheel. If you're looking for a reliable and enjoyable SUV that won't constantly send you to the repair shop, the Mazda CX-5 is definitely worth considering. And there you have it, 7 affordable SUVs that stand the test of time. Each of these vehicles offers a unique blend of reliability, comfort, and practicality, making them excellent choices for your next ride. Whether you're looking for something compact like the Honda CR-V or a bit more rugged like the Subaru Forester, you can't go wrong with any of these options. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Let us know in the comments which SUV you're considering, or if you have any experiences with these models. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and happy driving.